Welcome. In this video, you will learn to define custom exceptions depending upon your requirements. Python has many built-in exceptions which forces your program to output an error when something in it goes wrong. However, sometimes you may need to create custom exceptions that serves your purpose. In Python, users can define such exceptions by creating a new class. This exception class has to be derived either directly or indirectly from exception class. Most of the built-in exceptions are also derived from this class. Let's see how we can work with user-defined exceptions. Open the terminal, run the command as Python. The interactive shell is open now. Create class called custom error. Here we have created a user-defined exception called custom error, which is derived from exception class. This new exception can be raised like other exceptions using the raise statement with an optional error message. Let me pass the parameter for my custom exception. I'll pass as an error occurred message. You can see that it will print the parameter I have passed. This is how I can raise my own exception. Let's see how can I do it and create my own exceptions. I have already written script for this. Open user-defined exceptions.py. This program will ask the user to enter a number until they guess a stored number correctly. To help them figure it out, hint is provided whether their guess is greater than or less than the stored number. Here I am using inheritance program. Let's start. Create a class called error for base class for other exception. Next, create a second class called value too small error and inherit the error class raised when the input value is too small. Create third class called value too large error and inherit the error class raised when the input value is too large. Our main program user guesses a number until gets it right. You need to guess this number. Define the number 10 you want to guess, number equals to 10. Iterate the condition until it becomes true, that is while true. Input the number for guess. Try I_num equals to int input, enter number. If the input number is less than the given number 10, then raise value too small error. That is, if less than number, raise value too small error. If the input number is greater than the given number 10, then raise value too large error. Elif I_num greater than number, raise value too large error. Break the condition if it fails, that is break. Now I will call my raised exception using value too small error. Accept value too small error, print this value is too small, try again. Handle another exception called value too large error. That is accept value too large error, print this value is too large, try again. Finally, print the message when you found your matching value. Print congratulations, you guessed it correctly. Now let's move to the output now. Open the terminal. Change directory mode to desktop. Run the command as Python user-defined exceptions.py. You can see that it asked for number. I will enter 5. It displays the error message for small element. It asks for number and I will enter as 12. It displays the error message for large element. Enter number 10 now. It matched the given number and it will display the match correctly. The other two exceptions, value too small error and value too large error, that are actually raised by our program are derived from this class. This is a standard way to define user-defined exception in Python programming, but you're not limited to this way only. That's it in this video. Thank you for watching this video.